Inside this cactus stem factory, fresh nopal pads become juice, powder, and skincare products.
The process begins by selecting mature nopal pads with good color and firmness.
Workers cut the pads carefully to avoid damaging the plant and the raw material.
Early sorting removes pads that are too damaged for factory processing.
The harvested pads are loaded quickly to protect freshness before processing. Short transport time helps preserve the moisture and quality of the cactus pads.
At the factory, each batch is unloaded and prepared for inspection. Weighing helps the factory calculate yield for juice, powder, and gel production. Incoming inspection protects the quality of every product made from the cactus pads. Pads that do not meet quality standards are removed before washing. Trimming removes rough edges and damaged areas before deeper cleaning.
Before washing, the pads are aligned so the brush machine can remove small spines.
Rotating brushes remove most of the tiny spines from the pad surface. After brushing, workers check the surface to remove any remaining spine areas. The first wash removes soil, dust, and loose plant residue. Brush cleaning helps scrub the flat cactus surface without crushing the pad. A controlled rinse prepares the pads for cutting and product separation. Draining removes excess water before the pads enter size grading. Size grading helps the factory choose the best pads for each product stream. Final inspection prevents poor quality pads from entering the cutting line. The clean pads enter a slicing machine to create uniform strips. Uniform slicing improves extraction, drying, and final product consistency. Some strips are diced to increase surface area for juice and gel extraction. After cutting, the cactus is divided into separate product lines.
For the juice line, diced cactus pieces are briefly softened before grinding.
Cooling prepares the softened cactus pieces for stable wet grinding.
Wet grinding turns the cactus pieces into a smooth green slurry. Pressing separates the juice base from coarse cactus fiber. Coarse filtration removes larger fibers from the cactus juice base. Fine filtration improves clarity and mouthfeel before blending.
Blending adjusts the drink eye flavor, texture, and consistency. Homogenization helps create a smoother and more stable cactus drink. Pasteurization improves safety before the drink moves to bottle filling.
Clean bottles are prepared before cactus drink filling begins.
The cactus drink is filled into bottles at a controlled volume.
Capping seals the drink immediately after filling. Inspection checks fill level, cap position, and bottle appearance. Approved bottles are packed for beverage distribution. For cactus powder, thin strips are spread evenly before drying.
Controlled hot air drying removes moisture from the cactus strips.
Moisture control is important because powder must stay dry and stable.
After drying, the cactus slices are cooled before milling.
Milling turns the dried cactus slices into a fine green powder.
Sieving removes coarse particles and creates a more uniform powder.
The powder is checked for moisture before packaging.
Approved cactus powder is filled into blank bags at a controlled weight. Sealing protects the powder from moisture during storage. Sealed powder bags are packed into cartons for dry warehouse storage. For skincare products, diced cactus is used to extract a natural mucilage base. Slow mixing releases the cactus mucilage used as a skincare gel base.
Filtration removes plant solids from the mucilage extract.
Fine filtration creates a cleaner gel base for skincare formulation.
The refined cactus base is blended into a smooth skincare gel.
De-aeration reduces bubbles and improves the final gel texture.
The finished cactus gel is filled into clean jars at a controlled volume.
Some gel is also filled into tubes for easier consumer use. Skincare products are inspected before carton packing.
Approved skincare products are packed separately from food products.
Beverage line is tested for color, texture, and product consistency.
The powder line is checked for moisture, fineness, and color.
Skincare gel is checked for texture, smoothness, and filling performance.
Final inspection helps protect packed food products before storage.
Cactus drink cartons are stacked into stable pallets for distribution.
Cactus powder is stored in a dry area to protect it from moisture.
Skincare products are stored separately from beverage and powder products.
Stretch wrapping keeps the pallet stable during warehouse movement.
Beverage products may be stored under controlled conditions before shipment.
Cactus powder requires dry storage to maintain quality.
Skincare cartons are organized by batch for traceability.
Plant fiber and trimming waste are collected separately from finished products.
A real factory also depends on cleaning, sanitation, and controlled work areas.
Wet processing tanks and filters must be cleaned between production runs. Powder rooms require dust control and careful dry cleaning.
Cosmetic filling equipment must also be cleaned before the next batch. From harvesting to cleaning, cutting, extraction, drying, and filling, every step creates value from cactus pads.
The finished display shows how one raw material becomes several different products.
The beverage product must be smooth, stable, and visually consistent.
The powder product must be dry, fine, and consistent.
The skincare gel must have a smooth texture and stable appearance. The same cactus pad can become a drink, a powder, and a skincare product.
Warehouse picking prepares different cactus products for shipment.
Finished products leave the factory through an organized loading dock.
After processing and inspection, the cactus products are ready for distribution. The first half of the process turns spiny cactus pads into clean, prepared material.
The second half of the process divides the cactus into beverage, powder, and skincare streams. Modern machinery improves speed, consistency, hygiene, and product separation.
Worker protection is important because cactus pads can still carry small spines. Clean stainless surfaces and controlled drainage help protect the product. Batch records help the factory trace products from raw material to shipment.
A well-designed factory keeps raw material, processing, packaging, and storage in clear order.
The first transformation is simple. Whole pads become cleaned, trimmed, sliced, and diced material. For the drink line, cactus pieces become slurry, filtered juice base, and bottled beverage.
For the powder line, cactus strips are dried, milled, sieved, and packed.
For the skincare line, cactus mucilage is filtered, blended, and filled as gel.
From one cactus stem, the factory creates food, beverage, and skincare products.
This factory process depends on careful handling, clean equipment, and logical production flow. What begins as fresh cactus pads leaves the factory as multiple finished products.
The key is not magic, but cleaning, cutting, extraction, drying, filling, testing, and packaging.
Is the full journey from cactus field to finished consumer and industrial products.
Thank you for watching Mega Processing Tech. Subscribe, like, share, and comment what factory we should explore next.